Students typically have a hard time understanding the difference between the coupon rate and the yield. Recall that the coupon rate is written in the bond certificate and it is used to compute the coupon payments. The yield is the rate of return an investor obtains by buying the bond and receiving all payments until maturity. That is, the yield is a function of both the bond's cash flows and its current market price. Let's illustrate this difference with the example we have been using. Recall that the coupon rate is 3.7% and the bond's face value is $1,000. We also assume that the price of the bond is $107.94. The cash flows of investing in this bond are shown in this timeline. While in this case the coupon is 3.7%, we computed the yield to be 1%. Let's consider a small variation of this example. Assume that the price of the bond is $99.17 instead of $107.94. In this case, you will need to pay $991.7 for a bond with face value of $1,000. The cash flows associated with investing in the bond are shown in the timeline. Note that the only difference in these two cases is the price. All other cash flows are fixed. You can use Excel to compute the yield of the bond at this lower price to be 4%. I would like to make a few points. First, as it should be obvious by now, the same bond with the same coupon rate at maturity can have different yields depending on its price. As I said before, the coupon rate only determines the payments. The yield, however, depends on both the payments and the current market price. In the above examples, the coupon rate is always 3.7%. However, depending on the price, the yield can be 1% in one case and 4% in the other. Second, we saw that when the price of the bond was above 100, the yield was below the coupon rate. For example, when the price of the bond was $107.94, the yield of 1% was below the coupon rate of 3.7%. When the bond price is above the face value, they are said to be trading at a premium or above par. We also saw that when the price of the bond was below 100, the yield was above the coupon rate. In our second case, the price was $99.17 and the yield of 4% was above the coupon of 3.7%. When bonds trade at a price below the face value, they are said to be trading at a discount or below par. Why do we see this relation? Think about our second case. You invest $991.7 on a bond that pays a coupon of 3.7% and a principal of $1,000. You earn a return both from the coupon and the fact that the principal you receive is higher than the price you paid. Hence, your return must be above the coupon rate.